threat. A computer threat is a term that relates to the security of a computer system being compromised. This threat can lead to cyber attacks and data being stolen, lost, or edited. Types of computer threat: viruses, worm, Trojan horse. Viruses. Computer viruses are standard programs instead of offering useful resources. This program can damage your device. Computer viruses are typically crafted by hackers with various intention like stealing sensitive data to causing chaos in system. Worms are programs that can self-replicate and spread through a variety of means such as email. Once on a system, the worm will search for some form of attack of contacts, database, or file sharing system and send itself out as an attachment. Trojan horse. It is a malicious bit of attacking code or software that tricks users into running it willingly by hiding behind a legitimate program. This malicious software is designed to damage or disable computers or computer systems. How to prevent computer threats? Keep all software up to date to fix security bugs on a software. Install antivirus to keep the computer protected from the latest cyber threat such as viruses, malware. Delete suspicious emails. Back up data. Browser a web safely. Don't open suspicious and untrusted attachments. Make sure all your passwords are protected. Use stronger authentication. Use a firewall. Computer worm is standalone malware computer program that replicates itself in order to spread to other computers. It often uses a computer network to spread itself, relying on security failures on the target computer to access to it will use this machine as a host to scan and infect other computers. In this definition of computer worms, the worms viruses exploits vulnerabilities in your security software to steal sensitive information. Install backdoors that can be used to access the system, corrupt files, and do other kinds of harm. Worm consume large volume of memory as well as band. What are 5 examples of worms? Worms are members of several invertebrate phyla, including Platyhelminthes, flatworms, Annelida, segmented worms, Nemerti, ribbon worms, Nematoda, roundworms, pinworm, etc. Sipuncula, peanutworms, Pichura, spoonworms, Acanthocaphala, spiny-headed worms, Pogonopora, birdworms, and Chaeto. Trojan horse is any malware that misleads user of its true intent by disguising itself as a standard program. The term is derived from the ancient Greek story of the deceptive Trojan horse that led to the fall of the city of Trojan, are generally spread by some form of social engineering. What do you mean by Trojan horse? A Trojan horse virus is a type of malware that downloads onto a computer, disguised as a legitimate program. The delivery method typically sees an attacker use social engineering to hide malicious code within legitimate software to try and gain users' system access with their software. Is a Trojan horse or good or bad? A Trojan horse or Trojan is one of the most common and dangerous type of threats that can infect your computer or mobile device. Trojan are usually disguised as beginning or useful software that you download from the internet. but they actually carry malicious code designed to do harm, thus their name. A computer threat is a term that relates to the security of a computer system being compromised. This threat can lead to cyber attack and data being stolen, lost, or edited. The threat could be caused by poor information security practices or backdoor in the code of the system. What are the effects of computer threat? Financial loss or loss of income. One of the most common effects of cybercrime on individuals is financial loss. Cybercrime criminals often use various methods such as phishing, hacking, and malware to gain access to individuals' financial information, such as credit card number, bank account details, and password. Types of cyber threat your institution should be aware of include malware, ransomware, distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks, spam and phishing, corporate account takeover (CATO), automated teller machine (ATM cash).
Are security devices that filter the incoming and outgoing traffic within a private network. What is firewall? Firewalls can be viewed as gated borders or gateways that manage the travel of permitted or prohibited web activity in a private network. Firewalls are often used to make sure internet users within access are not able to interface with private networks or intranets connected to the internet. Not only does a firewall block unwanted traffic, it also helps block malicious software and worms from infecting a computer. Many computer operating systems include a software firewall to protect against such threats. How do your firewall works? A firewall decides which network traffic is allowed to pass through and which traffic is deemed dangerous. It works by filtering out the good from the bad, or the trusted from the untrusted. The firewall shields your network by acting as a 24/7 filter, scanning the data that attempts to enter your network and preventing anything that looks suspicious from getting through. How to turn on firewall? Step 1. Go to Start and open Control Panel. Step 2. Select System and Security. Windows Defender Firewall. Step 3. Choose Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Step 4. Select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall on domain, private, and public network setting.
Unang gagawin natin, punta muna tayo dito. Then, nakikita natin itong control panel, ating pindutin. Then, pagka-pindot natin, punta tayo dito sa security, system and security. Then, click natin to. At ang pag-click natin, kita natin tong window firewall. Kapatay siya. Nakita natin hindi gumagana ang ating firewall. Ang ating gagawin ay pumunta dito sa Turn Windows Firewall on or off. Then click this. At pag-click natin to, nakikita natin na meron siya ditong Turn on Window Firewall. Ang gagawin natin ay pindutin natin to. Para maiwasan natin yung mga virus, kailangan natin pagganahin ng firewall para maiwasan natin ang mga bagay na yan. Then makikita natin, yan, okay na siya. Kita natin. Nakakulay green na siya dahil protected na siya. Protected na. Gagawin natin, pakak. Then buksan natin yung control panel. check natin. Close firewall. Okay na siya, gumagana na siya. Kung gusto nyo naman turn off. Click mo lang to. Tapos, pindutin mo lang ulit ito. Tapos, ito. Then, mawawala na siya sa connected ng pagkaan niya. Then, okay na. Then lang. Thank you.
Network settings. Here are some benefits on firewall. Benefits of firewall in cloud. Monitoring and filtering network traffic. Preventing virus infiltration. Blocking unauthorized access. Upholding data privacy. Enchanting compliance protection. Control over application use. Encrypted traffic security. Without privacy promise. Advanced threat protection. Automated threat intelligence sharing. Zero trust principles.